This example is on problem solving using simultaneous equations. So example 1, the sum of two numbers is 19. When twice the second number is taken from 3 times the first number, the result is 22. Find the two numbers. So the first thing we need to do is to make two equations. So in order to make two equations, we're going to use the two pieces of information. I'm going to make a first equation out of the first piece of information, then make the second one, and then I'm going to solve using simultaneous equations. So the first one, the sum of two numbers is 19. So the sum of two numbers, the first number we'll call x, the second number we will call y, and it is equal to 19. Second part of the question. It said when twice the second number is taken from 3 times the first number, the result is 22. So it's going to be 3x, and then twice the second number is taken from the first number, the result is 22. And now what we have to try to do is solve for x and y. So then we're on to the simultaneous equations part. So to solve for x and y, I'm going to multiply the top line by 2 because I would want to cancel the y's. So it's going to be 2x plus 2y is equal to 38. And then the bottom line is 3x minus 2y is equal to 22. We add the two lines together, so we've got 5x is equal to 60. Divide by 5 on both sides, so x is equal to 12. Now once I have my value for x, I'm able to find my value for y very quickly. So it's going to be x plus y is equal to 19. I know x is now 12, so it's going to be 12 plus y is equal to 19, so y must be equal to 7. So the first number was 12, the second number was 7. Moving on to example 2. So it says tickets to a movie cost €8 or €10. If 300 tickets were sold and the total amount of money collected was 2,640, how many of each type of tickets were sold? So they sold 300 tickets and the total amount of money collected was this here. How much of each type of ticket was sold? So the first piece of information we know is that X, which we'll call the first type of ticket, and Y, which we'll call the second type of ticket, we know the two of those, some of the tickets together, there was 300 sold. So that's my first equation. To make the second equation, it's going to be the €8 by X plus the €10 by Y, and I know they made in total €2,640. What I need to do then is to try to solve the pair of simultaneous equations using the algebra method. I'm going to multiply the top line by minus 8, because what I'm going to do is try to solve for x, or get rid of the x's first, so it's going to be minus 8x minus 8y is equal to, and then we've got minus 8 by 300, so we know that that is equal to 2,400, and then the second line stays the same, so it's 8x plus 10y, and that is equal to 2,640. Then what I need to do is add my two lines together. The x's, they cancel each other out. Then I have minus 8y plus 10y is equal to, so we've got 2y, and then 2y is equal to 240. So y is equal to 120. So 120 tickets were sold at €10. And then we need to find out how many tickets were sold in the other price. So it was going to be x plus 120 is equal to 300. We know that there were 180 tickets sold at €8. And just to write in the other information again, so y was equal to 120, so that was those tickets were sold at €10.